morphology of flowering plants. Flowering plants or angiosperms, they show variety in morphological characters. Their anatomy is very diversified. They are characterized by the presence of roots, leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. Let's begin with the root. Radicle, when elongates, it leads to formation of root. This is primary root which grows under the soil, and when this primary root further branches, it forms secondary and tertiary roots. These roots, primary roots and its branches forms taproot system, and when this primary root is substituted by secondary roots, that is primary roots degenerate and vanish, then it is known as fibrous root system. Here you can see this is above soil, this is stem, and here you can see the roots and how they are branching. So you can see here this is primary root and the branches here secondary root, and this whole primary roots, secondary roots, this whole combined together forms root system. When root is made up from other plant parts than radicle, then it is known as adventitious roots. Regions of root, you can see in the diagram, there is a root cap present on the apex. It's a thimble-like structure, and above this root cap is the region of meristematic activity where cell differentiation and division takes place, and then above this meristematic activity there is the region of elongation which leads to growth and elongation of the roots, and above this is the region of maturation, that is the region where cell growth, cell division stops, and above this region of maturation root hairs are present which are thin thread-like structures. Modifications of root. Prop roots. Prop roots are the roots, as you can see in case of banyan tree, which helps in support to the plant. Similarly, stilt roots present in case of sugarcane. Pneumatophores is a kind of roots present in rhizophora. Rhizophora grows in swamp, and these roots, they get above the soil to help in respiration. Functions of roots. They provide anchorage to the plant, helps in absorption of minerals and water from the soil. It helps in storage of reserved food material, and they also help in production, synthesis and secretion of plant growth regulator.